All right, we got a beautiful Salem Hemisphere right here with a 4-season package. Super beautiful outdoor TV mount. This has got all winter package, all season, 2 entry doors. But look at this. Ooh. Look at this. This is actually a beautiful trailer. The interior, the upholstery, TV that goes up and down, fireplace, recliners. Those are 2 sofa sleepers. But look at this. Oh my gosh. And look at this king size bedroom. Oh, upstairs. Look at this. Super nice. Another entry door. And look at this bathroom, shower. Ooh, this is a winner.